yung 2019 minute days, babalidate na.
So yung naging election ng 2020.
Wala ng 25, wala na yung 2021 kasi sa bagong
Tapos na
ngayon,
yun.
2 years. So,
Ang PDQ.
wala pa na kasi pwede, pero may pwede ko. Kaya ako na yun. Lahat pwede. Pero wala na ako na.
Wala na. Pero di sila mapakasan.
Lahat lisod.
Okay.
Little bit vigilant lang. Bantayan, guard dyan.
Lalabas naman namin ito.
Ang sulat ko sa
Congratulations, guys.
July.
Pumanig naman sila.
Ano congrats.
wala na. Lahat na ako.
Sir, update muna kung ano po kinalabasan eh.
First and foremost, mapasalamat ako kay Secretary Special Mention to Supervising Senior Undersecretary State Backlist. Saka sa lahat na Undersecretary Molina, Director Rigon, for this conference, honest during honest election, transparent election, we conducted by you. Soon will conduct now the election, and we are very hopeful na tatahimik na po after this. We lose, we keep quiet, we win, patayin na lahat. For the betterment na lang ang target natin. Also, para mabawasan na rin ang trabaho yung government agency. Kasi ganun din, di ba, naabahala rin sila. That's basically naman natin. I'm happy with what the result of the na lahat fair na. Para sa CIM, fair na. Wala na yung, all the voters list will be validated na galing sa DSUD. And everything na we're asking for just to come up with a fair and honest election was I think for us to try.
Sir, was it further discussed kung paano po gagawin yung election?
Yeah. Bababa sila. So then, by Monday, they would order and they would issue an order that they would be granting the election. All will follow the IRM 2024. But sila rin ang maglalabas ng voters list from their own record or what latest record nila, then inclusion ng both parties. So, filing of mga director will be I think around the election date was moved at February. Instead of February 25, very time to stay. I think February 8. Again, salamat, lalo especially ASEC.
So, are you happy now, sir, with the
I mean
decision?
not ASEC, am I correct that? Observation senior and
Sir, are you happy now with the decision of the DSUD?
I think so. I'm very satisfied with my lawyer and I think kung ano yun, they will explain to them.
Congrats.
Hinahanap din nila eh. Na maging ready natin sila because from the original notice na binigay ng kabila, from there you can judge immediately na walang athlete na natin sila. So that was deleted everything. Issue ang new guidelines on the election process. But the best thing is they will conduct the election. That was in our letter of the opponent. Because we put our trust now to issue.
Pero both parties agreed to that.
Yes.
Yung sa kabila at saka sa
Wala
party.
na, parang in effect, may mga pending cases, tapos ko muna, election muna. So yun.
Pero sir, how about yung mga disqualified red record?
Yun nga ano napag-agree, sabi nila, disqualified siya, may disqualification na ng finance staff. So, for now, status ko muna. And then go after another 24 hours, probably decide whatever disqualification. I think they will
So walang mangyayaring disqualification.
with this election.
So kahit sino pwede tumakbo.
Yes. Including yung mga homeowners, so they can prove. Clarification pala kasi may discussion natin doon eh. ownership na pwedeng pumoto, hindi pala ba house yun, kaya hindi pwedeng apartment. It should be lot. Kung ito yung lot mo, kung boto ka pwede. Pero yung sa lot, marami kang tenant na apartment, hindi pwedeng pumoto yung apartment.
Lahat
Sa
lang
lot lang
talaga.
yun.
One lot lang.
At saka dapat bawat membership pa yan. Bawat lote.
Yun ang ano. So,
Updated yung membership, ano na.
i-update nila, kung proxies, kailangan, yun din, yung nagbigay ng proxy, dapat may validation doon na sila talaga, ID, whatever. So, yun ang
Tsaka mag-issue ng SPA sa proxy.
kung corporation, kung owner, sa proxy, all you have to do is, dahil yung proxy, then, nandun yung proxy ownership ng aplikant, okay, they would allow it. Pero kung both parties na bigyan, pinaka-latest yun. Probably, kung tumating yung owner, validate ang proxy kami. Okay na kami doon. Happy na kami doon. We have all put our base to DHSUD.
So wala na kayong reservation sa Rizal?
So far, sa napag-usapan, wala na kami reservation. Ako, happy ako. As far as may lawyer, wala kami. We're happy with the concurrent result of the decision of the Rizal to conduct the election.
So wala na kayong, may next meeting pa ba kayo, sir? Or
Wala na.
Election na.
They will come down. This would be, I think the MOA Bureau will come down sa Little Tuesday. The order will be issued Monday. Bababa sila ang MOA Bureau with the list of voters list and yung previous nila, outstanding record nila. So, everybody will distribute to the order, then with the matter of inclusion, binom mo na give a food. Bago siya, kailangan bigyan niya ng kumukunan yung probably titulo,
so during the conference, sino po yung present, sino po yung representative ng Rizal?
si the big boss there is supervising executives.
Si NCR Director.
Tapos si Atty. Rigor, ASEC siya o USEC. Si Atty. Rigor, USEC din, di ba? Anyway, doon na sa mataas tayo kasi baka ma-open mo na ako. Anyway, yun ang lahat. Nandun lahat. Sa kapila naman. Okay na, this one.
Sir, sa kabilang panig na dumating dito.
Yeah, yung invited lang kasi ang nandun eh, yung supposed to be the head ng Comelec, plus yung some of the claiming board of directors na yun.
Would they agree, sir, sa decision?
Kasi the IRR must be followed, yun ang talagang susunod nila. Ang IRR, wala na maximum fix na ngayon na 2 years term. So maximum of 2 years term lang. So wala na yung, saka wala na yung hold over. Wala na. So may i-count na lang September na hindi na sinasabi special election, at is an election, September 2024. Plus yung 2025 na hindi rin nila, but still, tapos na yung 2 years, talagang mag-election na. Sa bago ay wala na hold over. Bago na lang. From zero na.
Sir, pala question ko lang. May mga criminal cases din ba kayo na isakta? Ano status mo?
Pareho, may mga criminal
Both side.
Both side. Naka-pending lang. Pero status ko lang, wala sabi ng Lizod, wala muna yung mga basta ito, election muna tayo.
Election mo na.
Let's focus on the election.
Yes.
Probably after this,
So,
we have peace.
If you updated po sa aming kaso, sa struggle, pwede niyo po kami po na ng group.
yes.
Pero malaking bagay ito, sir, no? Makakaroon na ng
Malaking bagay ang kasi, I don't know,